22nd of June 2021 is when I bought my KTM 250 Adventure, aka the ADVENTOUR. I made a lot of research before buying this particular bike because a lot of people suggested me to go for the 390 Adventure and not the 250 Adventure. But I had my calculations done and I knew I was on the right path. And today, a year later, which is 22nd of June 2022, I am happy to say that I am a proud owner of the KTM 250 Adventure, and I have no regrets on my decision that I made a year back. This bike has given me my dream trip, which was to Ladakh, because before that I have always made plans, but I could never ever go to Ladakh for some or the other reason. This bike has given me a lot in terms of trips. It has also made me realize the true colors of those people whom I once used to call my friends. This bike has made me understand that not everyone who appears to be friendly is your friend in reality. And you guys have been ever so supportive to me towards my decision and my motorcycle. And I'm also glad to say that with my videos, I've inspired people to make their decision to buy this particular bike. And I'm sure you guys are not regretting your decision today. So with all that, I would like to thank you and to the Almighty up above, to my parents and to all my well-wishers for letting me complete this one glorious year with the KTM 250 Adventure, aka ADVENTOUR. And we both thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you guys.